Let's get ready for work. My hair get all wet when I come from the shower. I don't know what to do with my hair, honestly. My hair. I don't care what I do when I get in the shower. My hair just get completely wet. I'm trying to just kind of maintain this cuteness, but it is really getting on my nerves. Like, how people do it, how y'all keep your hair just like when you're getting in the shower. How is it that your edges or your hair just stay dry, and how you wash your face without the hair getting wet? Like, I really need to know. Somebody tell me, how do you wash your face without your edges getting wet? I don't know, because I've watched a lot of video and I'll try, and it's just not working out. Keep putting product on there. Like, look, this whole thing is wet. This whole hair is wet. I know I put a little bit of product on it, but when I got out of the shower, this whole area, this part right here got wet. This got wet. The whole thing just like a hot mess. I'm gonna stop to the hair store, get me like one of those silk wrap to tie my hair right now for work. And you know, but every time I get in the shower, I have to like reapply the product so it's fucking laid out, because when I get in the shower, like I said, I'm telling you, this is a real big stress for me. No matter what I do, like, you cannot wash your face here, right here. You can't just wash your face here. You gotta wash your entire face. So how do you wash your entire face? Like, how do you do it? Is there like a hair wrap out there, like kind of like protect the water from going into your hair? Can somebody please show me that hair thing that protect your hair from getting wet or something? Please, I need help. This is a hair crisis. I need help. Okay, that's what I need. Because I can't be doing this every morning, every day. That's why I have my little afro, and I should have just left it like that instead of putting this, trying to change things up now. It's all stressing me out. It is stressing me out with this hot mess. Wednesday on my way to work. I was saying earlier today, I said I'm trying to change things around on my channel. I love fashion. It is my thing. It is to my core. I'm not changing that, but I'm just trying to mostly include my everyday life, cooking, cleaning, or decorating my home, and fashion into my channel. So please stay, don't leave. It's still gonna be the same thing. The fashion gonna be a little bit short, and sometimes I'm gonna do like a long form video. I'm not gonna keep it like short all the time, but I'm just gonna include like my everyday life into the fashion as well. Like my everyday dressing, I'm just gonna post it on here, like a mini vlog or something. Just switching things around. But the cooking thing, I must cook, and then cleaning, I must clean, decorating, I must decorate. So it's not something that I wouldn't do. I have to. It's a must. So dressing, I must dress. But like the long form one where I used to do and put on my channel is something that I do enjoy doing. But I have to sometimes make myself do that. So I want to do it when I really want to, not I have to. So yeah, let's just that gonna come here and there, but we're gonna get there. But stay, it's gonna be the same thing. Like I said, I will never get rid of fashion. Fashion is to my heart. That's my core. That's my thing. I enjoy doing. But I'm going to include everything else, my day-to-day life, shopping, cooking, cleaning, just everything, like everything that involves, around that revolves around my life, my everyday thing. So I hope you stay and continue this journey with me. And yeah, so leave a comment here and let me know what you think about this switch and stuff like that. Basically that's it. But for this hair situation, yeah, let me know what you think, what I need to do, because if it keeps misbehaving, I'm just gonna go ahead and shave it out. Yeah, because one thing that's not my problem is hair. I don't go about stressing about hair and stuff like that. No ma'am, we're just gonna go ahead and shave it and keep it moving like that. Yeah, so I have all the video that I've been posting today. I have all those in my phone, and I've been hesitant, like, do I need to create another channel for this, or do I just need to go ahead and post it on here? So I just said, you know what, I just need to go ahead and post it on here. And if that's not your thing, I understand, but I don't need to go ahead and go create a new channel just to post this, because it's still included into my fashion thing. I get dressed, go to work, all that is still going to be recorded and posted on here. So I hope you're here. We're going to enjoy ourselves. We're just going to like I said, post our day-to-day life on the channel. Right now I'm heading to work. I'm going to go ahead and do a really quick stop at the hair store to pick up the silk wrap for my hair, the one that I had. My beautiful sister-in-law took it this weekend. My daughter took the other one that I had, and then I have this one that's not ready. Like, it's like, kind of a little bit rough, a little bit. So we are going to stop here at this hair store real quick and pick up something, and then we are going to continue to work. I'll take that. Yeah,
Okay,
definitely that. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
just got here to work.